Hello and welcome to a new vlog. It's evening here in London. I'm in central London, just near to Birmingham Palace, King's Palace. It's just a walking distance from here, and this is a view. It's night now, even though it's not so late, but it's like night. So I'm gonna record some videos over here. I wanted to go to Birmingham Palace, but it's a little bit walking distance to there, and I have to go back to my hotel. Since morning, I'm keep traveling and walking, so I feel a little bit tired. Maybe some other time I will go to the palace. So today, until here, yeah, it's nice views. There's a gentleman on horse, Edward Rex, 1901 to 1910. Wow. Here you go. Wow. Architecture is really amazing for Britain. It's Great Britain. Look at. Oh, it's cool. It's really amazing. Oh, that looks so nice. Golden views. Night view from here. Oh, traffic light is on for traffic now. Need to wait. Night view of London city. What happened to that guy? Why he stopped? It's still raining. Wow, we are feeling really cold and the people are running around, jogging. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, this is square here, statues. IB bar. Okay. It's a Christmas tree. Beautiful Christmas tree. Telephone booth. Waterloo Place. This is Waterloo Place. So also street. keep watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.